Even if it doesn't exceed 3.5 metres in length, it's one of the most extreme and exciting boats in the world. As its name implies, Moth International flies more than it floats. For skipper Sebastian Josse, the new world monohull speed record holder, the stopover in Melbourne was a unique chance to try out this amazing skiff. Along with his New Zealand watch captain Scott Beavis, they take lessons from the Moth world champion Rowan Veal.
With this sort of a boat, the idea is to get the boat going as fast as possible, and you can sit at the back of the boat and it will lift the bow up, and then it'll fly, and then you can level it out and it will just go.
Although the instructions look simple, starting's easier said than done, even for these two experienced sailors.
You've got to be going fast through the tack. Your tiller's stuck.
Invented in Australia in 1928, Moth International's been consistently improving its design ever since. Year after year, major innovations have been added. These include wings, using carbon fibre materials, and in the last 4 years, even hydrofoil technology.
On the rudder, there's also a hydrofoil, and using the tiller extension, which you twist here, you can adjust the angle of the flap on the back. And that's like your trim tab on an airplane, and you're always playing that when you're sailing the boat.
On se retrouve à 1 mètre au-dessus de l'eau, donc on se retrouve avec 20 cm carrés dans l'eau et 10 mètres carrés au-dessus de voile au-dessus de l'eau. Donc on sent plus la friction, on sent plus les vagues, il n'y a plus de bruit, et puis on est tout de suite à 15-20 nœuds avec un bateau qui fait 2,30 m. C'est vraiment impressionnant.